Hello everyone, welcome to the legal advice sessions of TLK Law Firm in Hanoi, Vietnam. Recently, we received the following inquiry. Hello TLK Law Firm, I'm the representative managing the contributed capital of a foreign investor. I'd like to ask if I am eligible for exemptions from a work permit. I look forward to your response. Thank you. Hello, I am a legal advisor from TLK Law Firm in Hanoi, Vietnam. First of all, we would like to sincerely thank you for trusting us and sending your consultation request to TLK Law Firm. Regarding the questions, TLK would like to provide the following answer. Firstly, we need to understand who is the representative managing the contributed capital for foreign investors. Based on the provisions of Article 1, Article 14 of Enterprise Law issued on July 16, 2020, the authorized representative of the owner, member, shareholder of the company must be an individual authorized in writing the name of the owner, member, shareholder to exercise rights, obligations according to the provisions of this law. Therefore, the representative managing the contributed capital for a foreign investor is understood to be an individual authorized by a foreign organization to manage the capital contributions into the company on behalf of that organization. A work permit is a legal document allowing a foreign employee to work in Vietnam legally. A valid work permit must be issued by the state management agency on labor in Vietnam, including 1. Department of Employment under the Ministry of Labor, Invalid and Social Affairs. 2. Department of Labor, Invalid and Social Affairs, where the foreign worker is expected to work. The work permits must specify information about the foreign worker, including full name, passport number, date of birth, nationality, name and address of the employer, position, and working time. So, can the representative managing the contributed capital of a foreign investor be exempt from applying for a work permit? Based on Article 7 of Decree 152/2020 NDCP, as amended by Point A and Point B of Clause 4, Article 1 of Decree 7/2023 NDCP, which stipulated cases where foreign workers are exempt from applying for work permits, commonly known as work permit exemptions, including 1. Being an owner or a capital contributing member of a limited liability company with a company contributions values of 3 billion Vietnam dong or more. 2. Being the chairman of the board of directors or a member of the board of directors of a joint stock company with a capital contributions value of 3 billion Vietnam dong or more. 3. Moving within the internal labor of enterprises within the scope of 11 service sectors in Vietnam is WTO service commitment, including business, information, construction, distributions, education, environment, finance, health, tourism, cultural entertainment, and transportation. 4. Coming to Vietnam to provide consultancy services on professional and technical matters or to perform other tasks serving research, constructions, appraisal, monitoring, evaluations, management, and implementations of programs, projects using official development assistance (ODA) sources are regulated or agreed in international agreement on ODA signed between Vietnam, its competent authority, and foreign countries. 5. Granted by the Minister of Foreign Affairs a license to operate on information or press activities in Vietnam under the law. 6. Being sent to Vietnam by foreign diplomatic missions or intergovernmental organizations to teach or serve as manager, executive director in educational institutions established by foreign diplomatic missions, intergovernmental organizations, recommended to be established in Vietnam. Establishment organization established under international agreements that Vietnam has signed, participating. 7. Volunteers. 8. Coming to Vietnam to work as managers, executive directors, expert or technical worker with a working time of fewer than 30 days or not more than 3 times in 1 year. 9. Coming to Vietnam to implement international agreements signed by central agency, provincial authority under the law. Therefore, according to the regulations on cases where foreign workers are exempt from work permit admissions as mentioned above, currently there is no provision regarding the exemption of work permits for representatives managing the contributed capital of foreign investors in Vietnam. Thus, in your case, if you are only the representative managing contributed capital of a foreign investor and wish to work in Vietnam, you still need to apply for a work permit. Therefore, according to the regulations on cases where foreign workers are exempt from work permits, as mentioned above, currently there is no provision regarding the exemption of work permits for representatives managing the contributed capital of foreign investors in Vietnam. Thus, in your case, you are only the representative managing the contributed capital of a foreign investor and wish to work in Vietnam, you still need to apply for a work permit. In addition to the issues of work permits, you should also pay attention to residence issues such as visas, temporary resident cards, etc. to be able to live and work stably in Vietnam. We recommend that you seek a local lawyer in Vietnam and to provide more information about your work plans in Vietnam so that the lawyer can support you with full legal security. Or you can contact TLK Law Firm in Hanoi, Vietnam directly for immediate assistance. If you have any further questions related to this video, or need assistance with other legal issues in Vietnam, such as foreign investment in Vietnam, regular legal advice, services for obtaining licenses in Vietnam, litigation services, accounting, auditing services, etc., please leave a comment below this video or contact us through the contact method displayed on the screen or in the description. We will promptly respond and support you. As a provider of legal services in Vietnam, we always understand and are ready to accompany you in resolving the needs and difficulties that you and every valued customers are currently facing or may encounter in working and living in Vietnam. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video up to this moment. If you find out your video helpful and able to support you, please like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel to update the latest legal knowledge in Vietnam. Wishing you good health, luck, and success. Goodbye and see you again.